Kirkby Design's latest collection is a study into recycled yarns and sustainable materials. Our research has directed and informed the creation of 4 innovative collections that reduce the impact on the environment without compromising on quality. As well as using recycled and sustainable yarns, all fabrics in this launch are fully recyclable and circular in nature. Within the launch, we have 2 collections that are made from recycled plastic bottles. We also have a recolor of our popular wool felt, Leaf, and we have re-engineered our much-loved Fleck fabric to become more sustainable. Wave is a chenille fabric with a subtle woven moire effect, made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. The recycling process sees waste plastic bottles cleaned and chipped into small pieces. These chips are then melted down and made into molten fibre, which is spun into yarn. The process from bottle to yarn takes just a few weeks. Flow is a contemporary collection of recycled jacquard weaves consisting of 3 designs: Magma, Flow and Stack, a tactile semi-plane and 2 contemporary designs that add a decorative element to the collection. We wanted to create a recycled trio of usable weaves which have the added benefit of being sustainable. Each fabric in this collection is again made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. Leaf 2 is our popular 100% recycled wool felt, which has been reintroduced in a progressed colour palette. This recycled wool felt uses reconstituted wool yarns from the fashion industry. This recycling process sees unwanted woolen fabrics, including clothing, knits, and offcuts sorted by colour and material. The fragments of fabric are put through a carbonizing machine to eliminate impurities before being shredded, washed, and dried into fine, fluffy fibres ready to be rewoven into fabric. Recycling wool is great for the environment, as CO2 emissions are more than halved compared to making new wool. Fleck Eco is a new version of our much-loved Fleck fabric, a textured chenille with a speckled aesthetic. Fleck has been re-engineered to become more environmentally conscious by replacing the viscose content with Tencel lyocell, a sustainable yarn that originates from fast-growing eucalyptus trees. The remainder of the fabric is comprised of recycled wool and acrylic yarns repurposed from the fashion industry. For this launch, we are partnering with 2 charitable organisations, donating a percentage of proceeds for every metre of fabric sold. Funding towards the Marine Conservation Society will be focused on initiatives such as beach cleanup days, for which we will be inviting staff and customers alike to get involved around the UK. Our contributions towards Trees for Life will go towards educational activities and rewilding initiatives to create a revitalised wild forest in the Highlands of Scotland, providing space for wildlife to flourish and communities to thrive. This includes planting 1,000 trees on our behalf. One of the objectives of this project was to research what materials and techniques were available to us to see how we could positively impact our industry. It was also really important to us that all of the textiles in this collection are fully recyclable. The biggest challenge when developing these collections was perhaps the process of investigating and verifying our manufacturing processes, ensuring that our production partners were in line with our core values for this launch. At Kirkby Design, we are committed to continually reviewing our processes with the environment in mind. For more information on our collection and the charities we're involved with, please visit our website.